IUser is the abstract type returned by the abstract factory. This line then makes perfect sense. But consumer can do some other things as well. Suppose that there is a more general interface, something like iTicketHolder. This would represent the entity which or who can hold a ticket we are selling. Now the user would just be one type of ticket holders. This change immediately increases the abstractness of the abstract factory. In fact, we can write even more general code on the consuming end using the same abstract factory object. If you are familiar with variance theory, then you will immediately recognize covariance in this behavior of the abstract factory. We will show covariant nature of abstract factory more explicitly later,